Okay, well, JP with Max TR3 Revival. Gonna catch up a little bit on what's been going on. I'm gonna dive in and say what I've been doing with the trans cover, and then look at moving forward with some of the other items that I got. I got some equipment that came in to my possession from some friends that I've been trying to get done as far as upgrades and helping out in the shop. We'll start with that. I'm gonna put you on pause and then I'll take you and show you what we got. Straight off the bat, I'm gonna say that if you're following me, you know sometimes my videos will jump around. So this one is gonna absolutely do that. I'm piecing together footage that I've put together over a couple months. I'm trying to get back on track, so there we go. You'll see, follow along. Hopefully I don't make it too difficult for you. Trying to finish out some more of the transmission tunnel cover version 3. Just trying to put a couple bends in the metal. Got the next kind of area that I want to work on. Let me see if I can do this one-handed, two-handed, ever how we want to do it. I just got it right about there. I'm going to cut that out and see if I can't tack it in. And here's a kind of an above right there. I got it matched pretty close. I can tweak it as we go. Another section, hopefully I'll have done, then I can work on the flange. All right, so there we go. That's where I'm going to put it. I'll just scribe it out and then cut it and tweak it a little bit in the hole, and then see if I can get it tacked in. We'll see. Alrighty, starting to get it dialed in just a little bit here. All right, a little more learning as we go. I think what I'm going to do is just cut up right about here and try and work this flange around. Got a little curve to it right here, so maybe tie it in. Probably cut back to about here. Slowly. Welding sucks. I'm a better grinder than a welder, but I'm okay with that. All right, here we go. Got another little piece fabbed up. It's just a continuation from where I was at before, and it kind of comes around this corner. This piece kind of ready to go. I'm gonna tag it in place, and then we'll continue on around the edge here. This with this top. Made a little piece here. It's gonna fit this right in this section here. I decided to go ahead and give the old shrinker stretcher a try. See what I could come up with. Pretty close. I got it scribed out, so I'm gonna cut that bad section out right there, and then see if I can fit this piece in right here. And then, yep, that piece was so thin it needed to go. Yep, it's coming along. Well, worked out okay. Shrinker stretcher was fun to play with, and I got a little shape in that right there, you can see. So quick view on a couple of the pieces that I was working on as far as the cover. So this is that piece I was talking about that was curvy. I do have a couple holes I've been chasing, so I've been playing with my welder and practicing a little bit. This is the other side where I pieced this piece in. I'm worrying about the flange afterwards. So I need to take a little break from this and work on some other things. So this is a Cobalt 26-gallon compressor that a friend of mine had. It wasn't running properly. It was running about 20 seconds and it would shut off and kick the circuit breaker. Through an online forum, I managed to hunt down what the issue was, order a couple parts offline, got it all ready to go and fixed up. And the only thing left to do is pipe it in and get rid of my other compressor. Let's see if I can't get this taken care of. When I finish flipping the upper body around, that'll also give me room to roll this forward and have plenty of access to be able to cut those out and rework them. All right, everybody, that is what is happening with Max TR3 Revival World. You have been caught up. Now you know where I'm at. Follow along for some more exciting video coming up shortly. If you haven't hit that button, hit that like and subscribe button, and let me know that you're following along. Leave me a comment or two. I appreciate the feedback. We'll see you shortly.